Okay guys, so what if I told you that you can turn any WordPress website into a membership website in 10 minutes or less, and all of this for free? You think all of this is possible? Do you know what? Let's find out. Okay, so let me show you very quickly. So first go to memberspace.com and from there start the registration process. Select who the website is for, enter your website address, select which platform it is on, add your website name, then click all done. Now from your account you can protect any pages of your website, create a new membership plan, and voila, you're done. Now if someone goes to your website, they'll be presented with a message requesting them to subscribe to one of your membership plans. So, isn't that the easiest way to turn your website into a membership site and start monetizing your content and earn money each and every month from it? Now don't let the simplicity of installation mislead you into thinking that this is a simple solution. Not at all, far from it actually, because this solution is packed with features that will help you optimize and grow your revenue. For instance, you will have access to unlimited members, tiered access, upgrades and downgrades, abandoned signups, failed chart recovery, cancellation alternatives, automated upsells, instant payouts, and many more. So there you go guys, as you can see, this is a very comprehensive solution that will allow you to turn your website into constant income. Alright, now let's discover this in more details. Okay, very good. For this project, we need two things. First, we need a website like this one here. So this is just a sample website. This one is a news website, but it could be anything literally, whatever website you want to monetize. And then we need to register on memberspace.com as well. So from here, basically, I'll leave the link in the description below. All you have to do is click on Try Memberspace today. And from here, select the free plan, which is this one here. As you can see, this is free forever. So all you have to do basically is click on this, go through the registration process. And once you're registered with them, you can finally access your account. And this is when you can start setting things up. So we go to our account, go to your account. And now, as you can see, we're ready to start. So before that, let's have a quick look at our website. So this is just a sample website. Obviously, this is not a real website. It's just to show you what can be done, obviously, So this could be anything. This is a news website, but it could be, you could be uploading recipes. It could be video tutorials, anything, any content, literally. You can limit any section, any categories, any post, any page of your website using this system and this solution here. Okay, so let's go about this step by step. So we have our website now, so let's go back to Memberspace and let's click Ready to Start. And there you go. So who is this website for? So we need to select, so this is either for yourself or a client. So I'm going to click myself and we need to type the website address. So let's copy and paste this. So Control C, paste it here, Control V. So this solution will work not only with WordPress, but also Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, and a few more, as you can see. So we're going to select WordPress here. The site name, I'm just going to put membership website, okay, and then it's going to create the URL automatically here. You can change this manually if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it as is. So let's click all done. Very good. And now we can start protecting our member pages, as you can see. So we're going to click on this. So this is the next step. Now, which URL do you want to protect? And this is when we need to decide and define which page, which area, which section of our website we want to protect. Okay, so let's go back to our website. So we're going to go to the WordPress backend here. And as you can see, all of these are posts. So these are all blog posts, obviously, and they're all in different categories. So let's open the categories here just to show you quickly. So as you can see, we have business, health, news, beat, science, etc., etc. So perhaps you want to limit access to the business section here, and this is the one where you will apply the membership fee, okay? So this is the one here. So let's right click on view, so open in a new tab. And this is our membership category with all the different posts, okay? So what we can do basically is to copy the URL, so Control C. So let's go back here now and let's paste it right there. So Control V. So next, when should this protected page be available to members? So as you can see, immediately, after a few days, or specific day or time. Again, based on your requirements, your situation, you might use any of those options here. Keep it simple for now, just select immediately. And as you can see here, include this page in your member menu. So the member menu will display basically at the bottom of your page, roughly where I am now here at the bottom. So let me show you an example here. So let's say this is your home page, and as you can see right there, you have the member menu. And if you click on it, it will show up different pages. So you can include that as well in your member menu. Okay, so let's close this now. And as you can see, you can give it a title. So let's say business section. Okay, there you go. And then we can add now. So there you go. As you can see, our page is now protected, and you have different levels of protection. You have the basic one, which is the one we have at the moment. Then you have more secure, and then the most secure one. And again, you can add different levels of security and add links and features again. So feel free to select any of these. So let's click to the next one. So next setup step. And now we're going to create our members plan. So this is the exciting part. This is where we get paid, obviously, and we can set up the amounts we want to charge for these privileges to access our website, obviously. And also create member plans. And right here, you're going to select how you're going to charge them. So you have 4 different options. Is it for free? So there's no payment whatsoever. Is it a one-time payment? For instance, $99. Is it multiple payments? Maybe 3 installments of 100. Or is it a recurring payment? So usually for memberships, it's usually per month. You know, every month you pay maybe a small fee, and then it's recurring every month. Now, again, based on your situation and circumstances, you might select any of those options. But for the time being, for this project, we're going to select recurring payments. Okay. Let's go next. And now obviously you have to select yes, I understand. Click on this, and now you have to connect this to Stripe. So Stripe is the payment method that's linked directly to MemberSpace, which is a world-renowned payment solution, obviously, and trustworthy and very reliable as well, and cheaper than PayPal, I believe, as well, you know. So let's click connect with Stripe. And then from here, you're going to enter your Stripe email address and then continue, log into your account, and then follow all the steps. Obviously, for security reasons, I cannot record this live on screen now. So we're just going to skip immediately to the next step. But once you're done, we'll basically follow the exact same steps here. So once you've entered all your details, you will go back to memberspace.com, and then you can finalize the setup and the configuration. Okay, so let's choose one here. So what type of member plan is this? So again, we said it was a recurring payment, and now we can set this up. Okay, so first let's give it a name. So let's call this maybe monthly subscription. Okay, so how much is it? So let's say 99, and you can select your currency. So you have euros, you have US dollars, you have British pounds, etc., etc. And then you can select the interval. So how often do you want to charge your customers? So you can see you have months, you have weeks, days, and year. So perhaps it's once a year, maybe it's every 28 days. Perhaps it's every 4 weeks, or maybe once a month, you know. So let's go once a month, just like this. Okay. So our next option here is choose a billing date. So basically, when someone subscribes on the 17th of the month, they should normally be charged again on the 17th of the following month, and so on and so on. But you can set a fixed date as well if you wanted to. Maybe you want to charge everyone on the 1st of the month. You can do so with this option here. You can also offer a free trial period, a sign-up fee, a tax fee, additional plan description, etc., etc. So these are, again, very handy features that you can use to customize it fully based on your requirements. And right here, it's asking you which member pages or page can be accessed. So we only limited one, so we're going to tick this one. And after sign up and after login, where do you want to send them? Well, since they paid to access this section, why not send them directly to that page? And even after login. Okay, so do you want to enable the plan? Yes. Make it public? I suppose so. So now we can create this plan. So let's go ahead with that. And there you go. As you can see, our monthly subscription is now configured and set up. And right here by the side, you see manage coupons. So you can also create promo codes, coupon codes, you know, which is a very nice marketing strategy to increase conversion. So let's click on manage coupons, and let's create one together. So all you have to do is click on create coupon. So what type of member plan is this coupon for? So we have only one-time payment plans or recurring payment. So the one we have at the moment is a recurring payment. So we're going to click this one, select this one, sorry. And then we need to enter a unique coupon code. So this is the actual coupon code itself. Okay, so let's call this one, for instance, Mr. Web 20. Okay. So choose how you want to apply the discount. So it could be an amount, so a specific amount, a fixed amount, maybe $10 or $20 or anything, or it could be a percentage. So let's select percentage here, and let's say Mr. Web 20 gives you access to 20% discount. Okay, so let's put 20 here. Okay, and there you go. That's basically it. And then you can set the maximum number of redemptions. So how many times you want them to be able to use this coupon code? So maybe 3 times. So that would give them access to 20% discount over 3 months, the first 3 months, for instance, maybe 12 times for the full year, or maybe just once. This is really up to you. So let's set this up to maybe 3, and then you can limit this as well, starting date and end up date, and then you can define how long the coupon should last, maybe once, multiple months, or forever. So let's select once and then create coupon. And now that we've created our coupon code, you can also sync that automatically with Stripe. And as you can see, the advantage is that all existing and future coupons will stay auto-synced with Stripe account. So you only need to do it once. Once you clicked on this, that's it. You're done and sorted. Okay. So let's click next setup step. And that's it, we're nearly there now. The last step now is just integration. So that's basically to install the plugin on our WordPress website, just to confirm that we own that website, obviously, So click on this. So this is a WordPress website. So let's click on that now. And there you go. Now we need to download the plugin. So click on this, download the plugin, and then we're going to install that into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so welcome to our WordPress dashboard. So now we go to the plugin section, add new. And now we're going to upload our own plugin, obviously, So upload plugin, choose file, and then select the file that you just downloaded from the memberspacewebsite.com. Install now, and then activate the plugin. There you go. That's all that's required, basically. Now it is installed and activated. So as you can see, you can configure the settings. So let's click on this. There you go. Now from here, you can go straight to your MemberSpace backend. You have all the different configuration options, pages, and support. But all of this is just basically automatically set up for us. And now we're ready to go. It's all set up for us already. So let's go to our website. So this is basically our homepage. So let's refresh the homepage. There you go. As you can see, we have full access to everything. And if I click on anything, so let's open this one here. As you can see, I can access this fine, no problem whatsoever. Now we limited access to the business section. So I added this to the menu section here. So let's click on that. And as you can see, our page is protected. It says, sorry, you need to log in or sign up to access this content. So the only button available at the moment is to log in. Basically, if I click on this, the only option I can have is basically to log in. So I need to create an account. So by default, they will not add the create an account button. So for this, we have to go back to the MemberSpace website. And once you're here, once you've created your account and everything is in place, you go to customize, general options. And right here, as you can see, enable create account button within the login form. This is the one that we need, obviously, And then right there, you can select different options as well. And as you can see, you can bring people to a custom URL, have people to join our monthly subscription. So this is the plan we just created. Or you want to show them all your public members plan. So if you have more than one plan, this is the option you select. So for us at the moment, we only have one plan. So we just select this one, and then just don't forget to save. Okay, so save changes. And that's basically it. Now, if we go back to our website and refresh, so let's refresh our page. Very good. And now, as you can see, we have the option to create an account. So if you click on this, you can now create an account as a user, as a customer. So let's go ahead with this. There you go. So let's continue. And then you obviously just can enter the card details right here. And if they have a coupon code, they're just going to type it here, for instance, Mr. Web 20, and then they can apply the coupon. As you can see, we got 20% off, once off, basically, enter the card details, subscribe now, and that's basically it. Okay, very good. So this is option number 1. Let's say we only have one membership plan. Now, what if you want to offer tiered pricing? For instance, you could have plan 1, plan 2, plan 3. So let's do that together now. Okay, so for this, we go back to memberspace.com, to our account. We go to member plans. And at the moment, we have this one. So that's the monthly subscription at 99 euros per month. Now, let's create a new one, a premium version, unlimited version of the whole website. So maybe 1,499 gives you access to everything, once-off payment. Okay, so let's create a new plan. So this one will be one-time payment. and let's give it a name. For instance, Premium Unlimited Access. So we said this one will be, for instance, 1,499 once of payment. You can always add taxes, obviously, add more description and so on. So on this one, the plan expiration, there's none basically. This is unlimited, and we're going to select the same category and then scroll down the page and create this plan. There you go. Now we have two different packages available, one at 99 per month and one unlimited premium version at 1,499 one off payment. Very good. So now let's put this to the test. Let's go back to our website. So let's click on our business section here. There you go. And now we're able to select a plan. So select a plan. So let's click on this. As you can see, we have premium unlimited access or monthly subscription. So if I was to click on this one here, monthly subscription, it's going to give us all the details. So this one is 99 euros every month, and this is a recurring plan, obviously, you know. And if we select the other one, premium unlimited access, as you can see, this one is 1,499 one-time payment. So again, as you can see, there is no added description here. You might want to add a little bit of details to entice your visitors into buying this one rather than the other one, in which case you can always go back here, edit this one. And this time we're going to use the option additional plan description. So let's enable this. And now I'm going to type a bit of text here. For instance, the premium unlimited plan is for our avid subscribers who don't want any restrictions and so on and so on. Okay, so if you add the description now, let's save this and let's go back to our website to have a quick look. And there it is. As you can see, now we have this description. Again, this is a very nice way of enticing your visitors and make them choose this plan over the other one or any way you want, obviously, you know. Now, again, you can customize every aspect of this window here. Whatever comes up in the pop-up window, you can customize everything based on your own preferences, branding, requirements, whatever you can think of. You can customize everything fully. So, for instance, as you can see here on top, we have to access that content. Please join one of these plans. You can change the content of this text as well. So if we go back here, we go to customize, custom wording. This is part of the payment form. And then if you scroll down the page, you will find that message. So let's look for it now. Just 1 second. So there it is. To access that content, please join one of these plans. So instead of saying this, you might want to change this to something else, perhaps. Let's say to access that content, please subscribe to one of these two plans, okay? All you have to do, click Save Changes. Now if we go back here and let's refresh, and there you go. As you can see, our new message is now displaying right on top. And again, you can change the color, the feel of your pop-up window as well here, okay? So if you go back here, you can go to Look and Feel. And from here, you can select which area you want to customize. So as you can see, this is the login form. You have the sign up form, and the one that we're on at the moment is the payment form. So let's say instead of having a gray background here, you want a different color based on your branding and colors perhaps. All you have to do is just click on it. And as you can see, you have all the different colors. So you can enter the color code here, the hexadecimal code, or you can select one of those colors. So let's say we go with a blue color here. You can add a border color as well, maybe a dark blue, let's say, okay? And then you can add rounded corners as well. So let's round this a little bit, maybe at 5, okay? And now let's save those changes and let's go back to the front end and let's have a quick refresh. And there you go. As you can see, now we have a blue color here as a background. And again, everything is customizable basically to fit your own branding requirements and preferences. Very good. So now let me show you everything related to communications between you and your customers. So basically all the emails that you'll be sent out, okay? So if you go back here to member space, you can go to customize and you have all the member emails. So let's click on this. And right here, you can customize every aspect of your communications between you and your customers, okay? So if you scroll down the page, the first one you might want to change is the welcome email. So if someone subscribes to your any of your plans, this is what they receive. So this is a very important one, obviously. So if you click on this, let me show you how this works. So welcome to, and then you have braces, site.name, and then braces again here. Okay, so this is basically a variable. This is what is called a variable. So you can use different variables to compose your email, and basically it will fetch all the information from the database, put that together, and it will look like a real text basically. Okay, so instead of hi member first name, it will say hi David if I registered on the website, you know, welcome to mrwebreviews.com. Thank you for joining. So they will not see those variables. Obviously, this will be replaced with the actual content And now you can customize this the way you want, basically, okay? So welcome to site name, thank you for joining, and perhaps you want to add something else here, and you can use all the different variables related to that email type, okay? So if you click on variables here, you can select any of those variables here. So you have coupon, discount, coupon ID, interval, period start date, and plan name. So for instance, if you wanted to add the plan name here, you can just do this, and now it is there, and then you can type away. So type something here, okay? That's basically it. And then you scroll down the page, save, and now they will receive that additional information, the plan name, in their emails as well. So let's go back here, let's discover another one. So you have the member approval here. So if you click on this, again, you can use different variables, but these are limited basically to this type of email, okay? So as you can see, you have less choice here, but they're all related to confirmation of your email here, okay? So this is basically your account has been approved, and you can do so with all of these different emails. So again, this is a very handy feature here that will allow you to customize your communication between you and your customers based on your business profile and model. Very good. So now let me show you all the many different other advantages and features that you can use with this solution here. As I said, this is a very comprehensive solution that's fully customizable, you know. So we've looked after the look and feel, member email, custom wording, general options. This is basically self-explanatory. So now we have integration. So what is this about? So if you click on this, you will see with this, you can basically link third-party solutions as well. So we can add Stripe, which is done already. We've done that. You can use Zapier. So basically Zapier can do basically everything, automate any task on your website and link it directly here. And you can even run affiliate programs if you wanted to use Rewardful. And you also have the member link embed. So for this, we go to WordPress, scroll down the page. As you can see, you can select among pop-up and embed. So this is the one we're interested in here, the embeds feature. And all you have to do is just to copy this code. And now let me show you how you can insert that into any page of your website and have all these features readily available. So let's go back here now. Let's create a test page. And all you have to do is just add a new block. So the block we're going to install is HTML basically, okay? Just this one. Click. And now you paste that code right there. Just paste it exactly as it is. Click update. Okay, now we've saved our page. Now let's have a quick preview in the front end. And there you go. As you can see, because we are logged in, we have access to our different plans and the profile as well. So we can edit the profile, change our email address, change password, etc., etc. And we can log out as well. So if I log out now, you will see we have a different screen. There you go. This will look like this. Now we can log in into our account or create a new account. So this is again another feature, very handy feature that you can use to customize your visitor's experience and make life easier. Okay, so let's go back to member space, go back to customize. Now another handy feature is the sign up field. So you can add any fields to the sign up process. So if you click on this, add sign up fields, as you can see, you can add line of text, maybe a paragraph of text, a drop down option, multiple choice or check boxes, and then you can display whatever name it is. So maybe you're looking to know exactly where are you from, maybe how did you hear from us, or this type of information, you know, whatever, or what is your phone number. Maybe you want extra bits of information from your customers just to customize their experience basically, you know, or maybe to get some feedback for yourself might be handy enough. So you can use that feature here to enhance your customer's experience as well. So if we go back to customize, now we also have connected website. So this is a beautiful feature. Again, with member space, you can connect multiple websites. So let's click on this. Let me show you quickly here. As you can see at the moment, we have mrwebreviewstutorials.com. But if I wanted to connect a second website using the same account, I can do so immediately from here. All I have to do is connect a new website and run through the exact same steps as we did. Okay, so let's go back to our account here. And then the next option is code injection. So basically, if you wanted to add tracking, analytics, or add additional code in your header section, etc. of your website, you can do so. We're not going to go into the technical side of it, but that's basically it. You know, this is for advanced users, but it's just to let you know that this is an option that's available to you as well. So next we have our dashboard. So as you can see, this is going to show you the current members analytics and revenue recovery. So basically this is the full overview of what's happening on our website financially. So this will show up here. Obviously, we have no data at the moment, but you'll have a graph here and you can see that immediately. So again, this is a very handy feature to have a quick overview of your financial situation and see how well you are doing. Now, obviously, there are many more features like, for instance, drip out content, member approval, abandoned signups, single sign-on integration, and API access, just to name a few. So all together, as you can see, this is one of the most comprehensive solutions on the market for you to create a membership website, and yet it is also one of the easiest ones to configure and set up. Now, as always, if you want to give it a go, we'll leave all the links in the description below. Now, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions.